Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import an Excel file in Zoho CRM. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Excel file is properly prepared for a smooth import. Zoho CRM supports XLS, XLSX, and CSV formats, so your file should be in one of these. The first row must contain field headers like first name, last name, or email. This helps Zoho CRM recognize the data. Also, ensure fields like dates, phone numbers, and drop-down options match Zoho CRM's accepted formats. Remove formulas, merge cells, or special characters, as these may cause issues during the import. Once your file is ready, open Zoho CRM and go to the module where you want to import the data. This could be leads, contacts, or deals. Click the module drop-down at top right corner and select Import. Now, choose Import from File. Then click the Browse button to locate and upload your Excel file. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So that's basically how you can import an Excel file in Zoho CRM. That's it for this video. Thanks.